I went to Honda. I'm scheduled for my second maintenance service. So this is my scooter. This is a Honda 300 Forza 300 2020, and this is limited edition with the falcon gray color and red linings. So it has already 7,000 kilometers. I will show you the invoice. This is the two invoice, guys. The one in the right is 1,000 kilometers. The one in the left is 7,000 kilometers. So these are the two Honda service that I made in the past almost 2 years. So the first one is 1,000 kilometers. So I paid about 103 euros, and I got 10% discount from them, because when I bought the scooter, they gave me a card, 10% discount for all the services and some other parts. So what they've done with it is they changed oil, filter motor. I also paid for the parts for the Honda genuine oil and filter oil, and also the proper disposal of the parts used, old oil, and the filter. So for the first 1,000 kilometers, they have to change oil and the filter. They were gonna have to do that. They were gonna have to change it because to avoid scrape metals inside the engine, because for the first 1,000 kilometers it might have scrape metals, debris inside, so they have to change oil. Even though if the oil is or was still okay, because it was only 1,000 kilometers, so they're gonna have to do that to avoid damage to the engine. So for the first 1,000 kilometers they have to do that. So for the first 1,000 kilometers I paid 103 euros with 10% discount of all the services, labor and parts. So first 1,000 kilometers, that's what they do. To the right or to the left, this is the second Honda service. It's like after a year. So for the second service I paid 148 euro. And what they actually done with this is, it's almost all of the things they do is or they done is inspection. So they inspect all the parts. The only thing that they change is the motor oil here. They change the motor oil. Okay, so they control everything, the tires, engine, all of the fenders, all of it. So they will control it, the stand, the suspension, etc. So this invoice only written is they had to change is oil, motor oil. But here I paid filter, I paid also motor oil. So these two I paid it for the parts. Okay, but here they only changed motor oil. They did not put here the oil filter. So I don't know if they changed it really or they did not change it. They only put it here. So I don't know. So for the second service, paid 148 euros. They also gave me 10% because I have the card for the 10%. But they gave me only 10% for, they only gave me 10% for all the parts they needed for the motor oil, for the filter, and this one. By the way, I also have this filtro area comp. So this, I don't think it's the air filter, because air filter is their maybe they only clean it, the air filter box. So I also paid for that. Okay, so okay, this is like after a year, and it has, or I made 7,000 kilometers of it. To do it after 12,000 kilometers, because it's written in the book, it's written in the manual that I have to do it after 12,000 kilometers. But then I called Honda, they tell me that I have to do it after a year or yearly. They change oil, they change filter, but the manual says that it had to change after 12,000 kilometers. So I don't know, maybe they want it yearly for them to, you know, to have for the money, I think. So that's it, guys. This is the first Honda service and the second Honda service. I paid the first 103 euros and 148 euros. So if you have a card, discount card, 10%, you have to see to it to look at the invoice that they put it here. Everything is, it should be 10% like in the first one. Here they put it everything 10% here. It should be 10%. So first, if you ask for discount, you should say that they should put it on all the services. Here only 10%. They don't apply this here. So you have to ask first. So that's it, guys.